Okay, we're going to talk about, this is the right way. We're going to talk about a gas valve that, and the thermocoupler and how the thermocoupler works with the gas valve. Here you see a pilot assembly with the thermocoupler. Pilot tubing's been disassembled, but the thermocoupler's still there, screwed into the gas valve. This is just a standard gas valve that you're going to see just about anywhere. This one happens to be 24 volt. It's propane fired. Just want to see whether or not the thermocoupler is working correctly. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to push down on the knob up here on top that you would normally do when you're lighting the pilot. You got your on-off and pilot, and I got it set to the pilot position. I'm going to push down on it. There's a little flapper down behind that screen. There's a little flapper, and then when you push down on that handle, then you can see the flapper move behind the screen. So what happens is that when you push down on that knob up on top of the gas valve, when you push down on it, it opens the flapper, and you're holding the flapper, and then what you do is you light the pilot. Pilot gets that thermocoupler hot. The thermocoupler in turn, as it gets hot, where it goes into the gas valve is a little, what we call a, well, I don't even know what you call it. It's like a little magnet, creates a magnetic field. And that magnetic field holds that flapper open. And let's see, you can see that flapper opening up. Okay, when that thermocoupler gets hot, then it holds that flap open. As the thermocoupler cools off, then it'll go ahead and the flapper will just shut. And that flapper is like a door that allows gas to continue through to the rest of the gas valve to the main portion that's actually controlled by a diaphragm. So the first thing that the gas sees when it comes in this valve is this shut door, the flapper. And you're manually opening it, which allows gas to go up to the pilot assembly. When you light the pilot, get the thermocoupler hot. Once it gets hot, it holds that flapper door open on its own automatically. When you release the knob up at the top, then that flapper will stay open. That way, if the pilot blows out and the thermocoupler gets cold, then it shuts that little flapper as a door, shuts the gas off to the main burner, even if the main burner is getting voltage. It's a safety. So when you press this button, that's what you're doing, is you're actually opening and closing that door. So hopefully that kind of helps you a little bit better understand what's happening with the gas valves and standing pilots. This is only for standing pilots, not electronic ignition. So if you have any questions, check with your supervisor or contact us at www.aefresno.com.